Okay, people, today I want to talk about birds and how creative they are, particularly concerning their ability to aim their bird shit on windows. Yes, a bird shit. Car windows, house windows, you name it. Windows. Got sweat. Ugh, it's hot in this house. All I have to say is that as I was sitting underneath this tree, my dogwood tree, I'm looking at the entrance window inside my place, and there is bird shit on it. This dogwood tree is kind of like really close to the window. Oh my god, my allergies. Oh my goodness. Anyway, yeah, there's bird shit on it. What do the birds do? They come in. What do? They zoom in. They fly real fast. Go right up to the window and they aim their ass, which is right here. And they just come up, zoom up to the window and aim their ass and go on the window. They just press really hard and blow a gasket. What? I mean, these birds are really creative. They just squirt that shit real expertly. Yeah. So people, what bird shit stories do you have?